Guys, I'm gonna be changing the air filters, the cabin air filter and that HEPA filter in the front right there. I wanna get this done in like 10-15 minutes if possible.
To better suit my project, I actually got these tools right here. That's an electric screwdriver from Harbor Freight. It's very cheap. The next thing I have is a bit set from there, and we're gonna be using the star shapes. I also got a couple of pry tools that were very cheap. I just collected from different projects over the years, but that's all I'm gonna be using for this project.
All right, so the first thing is I'm gonna pop off these right here. These pry tools are good. I'm just gonna stick it in there and, oh, wow, that was easy. Wow, that was literally 5 seconds. One extra little thing I like to do here is get my little blower. Blow that off, spray a little detailer on the sides and get that stuff cleaned up. So by the looks of it here, I can see what seems to be like 5 screws. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can just, it's so flexible. I can just pull it off and do it here. 4, 5. That's where it attaches right here as well. You can kind of see a little plus sign there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. So I'm gonna go take those 10 out right now. Take it right on. Let's get ready to go. But this particular one right here is pretty hard to get to. I really got to pull it really far back. It feels like I'm gonna break it or something, but still able to get it. Pops right off. Very easy. Wow, look at that. That is gross. Airflow looking down, this side up. Wow, look at all that. That's why I'm sneezing so much. Gee whiz. This piece right here comes off as well. It looks like the gasket comes off with it. So that gasket is that little rubber lip there. It keeps a really nice seal. So let's look at this one as well. We're gonna examine that, and that says airflow down. Definitely a good time to clean this as well, because I can see right off the bat there's just pieces of dirt and those stems here. For those curious to see what it looks like that. In there, okay? Just like that.
So when you're ready to put the filter in, just make sure that you're pushing on all sides of the rubber ends right there, and that way you have a good proper fit and everything is in the right orientation as well.
So coming back to this side right here, you're gonna notice that little plus sign we were talking about. We really wanna get that thing on there first, okay?
So putting the parts back on, I actually like to use my hand to screw things in first, and then I'll use my electric screwdriver later to tighten them.
We'll tighten the hand and we're good. Big old bug. Now we move on to the next one. Cabin air filter. Start by removing that right there.
Brother, what's that?
So we are in the passenger footwell area. All right, so that's kind of what it looks like down there. I think this is gonna be easy. Let's just pop those off and see what happens. Oh my gosh, this tool right here really saves lives. Oh, easy. Oh, so it looks like it just kind of pops in there. Oh, it just pops off. Okay, cool. And these are all just pop clips, as you can see. Let's go ahead and take that out. So it's actually the same size as the ones from the front. Oh wow, that just slipped out right away. So it looks like there's tabs here and there's a tab here. Let's pull the first tab up here. Awesome, very good. All right. Oh, I gotta turn off the air. All right, I just turned off the air by holding that right there. I just held that button or number and turned off. Get the next one out. So it looks like it's underneath. Oh, very interesting. So this is the orientation of what we saw in there. First we pulled this one, we pulled it straight out, and then we pulled this up, and then we pulled it out of the hole. Looks like that arrow right there is pointing towards the passengers. Then this side must be the dirty side. And it looks pretty good. Not too bad. I can see a lot of dirt here. Ugh, what's that, you guys? Gross. All right, well, let's go get our new ones. Well, how funny is this? As soon as I opened it up, some pry tools came. And that's how I collected all my other pry tools as well. Nice instruction manual. Wow, it almost looks like an upgrade, doesn't it? Looks like that tab there we were talking about. This one looks way more high quality though. I mean, look at that. Even the tabs are really nice feeling.
Nice form there.
Let's get it in. Guys, it's been fun. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys going through this journey with me. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys next time. GT Charlie out. Peace.